In a quiet town nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old man named Harold. Harold had spent most of his life working at the local factory, putting in long hours to make ends meet. As he approached his retirement years, he felt a heavy burden of financial insecurity. He often wondered if he would have enough money to enjoy a peaceful retirement. One day, while sipping on his favorite cup of coffee at the local cafe, Harold overheard a group of young entrepreneurs discussing the concept of dropshipping. Curiosity piqued. He listened intently as they passionately explained how they were building online stores that allowed them to make money while they slept. Intrigued by the idea, Harold decided to do some research on his own. He spent hours poring over articles, watching videos, and attending webinars to understand the world of dropshipping. Despite the complexity of the information, Harold's determination grew stronger with each passing day. He saw dropshipping as an opportunity to secure his financial future and prove that age was just a number when it came to embracing new challenges. Harold's first step was to create a list of potential products to sell. He chose items that resonated with him, products he believed in. With trembling hands, he set up his online store using the user-friendly platform Shopify. Late into the night, he meticulously curated product listings, designed a simple yet elegant website, and wrote compelling product descriptions that conveyed his passion. As his online store took shape, doubt and fear began to creep into Harold's mind. He questioned whether he was too old to learn new skills, to navigate the complexities of digital marketing and social media. He worried that he was making a mistake and that his efforts would be in vain. But every time he considered giving up, he remembered the young entrepreneurs he had overheard in the cafe. Their unwavering confidence and belief in the power of passive income served as a beacon of hope. Harold decided to press forward, fueled by his desire to prove to himself that he could do it. He studied online marketing techniques, learned how to create engaging social media posts, and even dabbled in email marketing. He embraced a growth mindset, seeing every challenge as an opportunity to learn and improve. Months passed, and Harold's online store began to gain traction. Orders trickled in, and he saw his efforts slowly paying off. He experienced the thrill of waking up to notifications of sales made while he had been sleeping. It was as if his store was working tirelessly, even when he wasn't. With each successful sale, Harold's confidence grew. He reinvested his earnings into expanding his product range and fine-tuning his marketing strategies. He connected with other dropshipping entrepreneurs online, forming a supportive community that offered advice and encouragement. As the years went by, Harold's online store blossomed into a thriving business. His determination and unwavering commitment had transformed his retirement years into a fulfilling chapter of entrepreneurship. He had unleashed the power of passive income, making money while he slept, and in doing so, he had rekindled his zest for life. The story of Harold's late-life success spread throughout the town, inspiring others to chase their dreams regardless of age. People marveled at his resilience and newfound passion, proving that it's never too late to learn, grow, and achieve greatness. Harold's journey became a testament to the transformative potential of dropshipping and the limitless possibilities that lie within each of us.